Hello there, welcome to this YouTube channel, and in this video I'll show you how to download and install the BPlayer application to your Android TV without using downloader. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So how do you download and install this application without downloader? It's very simple. The application we are going to use is this one called APK Time. Now you might be wondering, how do you install APK Time to your Android TV without downloader? In the description of this video, there is a link I have added that's going to guide you on installing APK Time to your Android TV without downloader. So please watch that video and install APK Time. After installing APK Time, just come over to the category that says Players and Browsers, and then you're going to see the BPlayer over here. So here's it over here. This is it, and there are two options. There is one for Android TV and there's one for other device. So please install the 32-bit because that's the one that's going to work best with your Android TV. Or if you know what bit is your Android TV, there's a 64-bit or there's a 32-bit. If you don't know which one is for yours, please install the 32-bit because the 32-bit is going to install on both applications. So here's the application. When it's done downloading, all you need to do is click install and it's going to install. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this.